top of this hour, though, we are straight away cutting to protests once again on power outages in the national capital. As you see those posters, they're quite evident. This is once again the Congress party which is out of the streets of the capital protesting the 6 to 7 hour outages that the national capital is seeing. The Power Minister Piyush Goyal had promised that things would normalize within 10 days. The deadline is still looming. It's not still 10 days. There have been some relief to Delhiites in the last couple of days. It's been raining, temperatures have gone down. The demand of power has also dropped. But these protests, as you're seeing clearly on your screens right now, continue. The Congress trying to get some kind of political mileage out of it. These pictures we are getting to you are coming in from Delhi, where once again the Congress has hit the streets, fourth day running, protesting power outages in the national capital. It's been an unprecedented situation in the national capital this year. We've seen some 6 to 8 hours of power outages in areas which probably saw a couple of hours every summer. The summer has been particularly relentless. The heat wave, it's been a record heat wave with temperatures touching anywhere between 45 to 47 degrees. And in this scenario, when you have a power cut, you understand the anger. What we're seeing right now on our screens, congressmen protesting those power outages, but we've also seen people, regular people, locals coming out, vandalizing areas at night when they've gone without power for almost 8 hours. This was reported from West and East Delhi a couple of days ago, after which Power Minister Piyush Goyal had stepped in, promising that more power will be gotten from other areas, other states to the national capital. In fact, we were also told that some 440 megawatts of power would be created extra for the national capital. Let's try and listen into. All right, I believe we are being joined by Sambit Patra of the BJP. He's the BJP spokesperson. Mr. Patra, another round of protests by the Congress party. The fact remains that the power situation in New Delhi has not improved. Yes, that 10-day deadline is still not over, but many would say these protests are justified.
So first and foremost, I would like to remind you that these protests, in fact, are exposing the Congress's own misgivings, in the sense that whatever the situation of power and water today is in Delhi, it is only because of the fact that the Congress had not invested into the vision for making a proper Delhi. Congress had not invested into the transmission and distribution of electricity in Delhi. And that's the reason as to why I say, when the Congress are protesting today, they are protesting against their own misgivings.
No, yes, we've heard the Power Minister as well, echo the same sentiment, Mr. Patra, saying Delhi is paying for Sheila Dikshit's mess. But really, this is your mess now. This is your problem. You need to sort it out. Can't blame the Congress for it.
No, definitely. It is not that we will shun away from our responsibility. We are concerned with the people's lives. And since there is a president's rule over here in Delhi, we will, in fact, through the center, see to it that we mend whatever is not mended in Delhi. And I think to this regard, the Power Minister, in fact, had held a press conference and had assured the people that within a fortnight, we will see to it that things are restored in the best possible manner. And also, let me remind you of the fact that the Power Minister and the array of officers with him have said that though this job would have taken 3 months, but still we will try our best and see to it that within no time, within 14 days, fixtures are done and things improve. And I assure you that we still stand by that, and within the stipulated time period that we have promised, we will deliver. But please try to understand, the problem that we are having in Delhi right now is because of the logjam of dysfunctions that the Sheila government has delivered all these years in Delhi.
Mr. Patra, we'll leave it there for the moment. People from Delhi are listening to this broadcast. I wonder whether they buy the logic you're giving them or not. But yes, the deadline that the Power Minister gave is still not over. And this protest, may I remind you, is not just about the power shortages in the city, but also water shortage that has hit the city over the last couple of days. The rains are here. Thankfully, the temperatures have gone down, but the political temperature is still very high. That protest disappearing almost as soon as it began, lasted for less than 5 minutes. On your screens there now, all but over.